This is a quick update video on my K10 project. Over last weekend I installed LED headlights and a new Phantom grille. One of the things I like about these headlights, they're plug and play. They are not complicated at all to install. These are like $75 on Amazon. They're affordable. I have them on my YJ and I really liked them. So I'm going to go ahead and hook up all the wiring. There's nothing really complicated here. Now I'm installing the parking lights. I used a special wrap for headlights, so I'm going to go ahead and test it out. I had to keep everything dark behind the grille for that nice blacked out look. Here you can see all the lights installed, and we'll give it a quick test. And the headlights work great. I need to get some new bulbs for the parking lights. The bulbs went bad from hanging out for the last year and a half. And now I'm going to go ahead and install the grille support. These have 2 bolts on each side and then 1 in the middle, and I found a socket with a really long extension made it a lot easier to get these in. Like this video, hate this video, have advice, feel free to comment below. This center bolt was a little bit of a pain to line up, but once I got it in there, zapped it in, and we're good to go. And here's a shot of the installed grille support. It came out pretty nice. And here's a shot of the grille surround trim, in which I plasti dipped in another video. My headlight adjuster bolts on the side were stripped out, so I want to put some new ones in before I put the grille on. I picked up a new set over at AutoZone. They're pretty cheap. And now it's time to install the grille. I did have to go get some clip bolts from Lowe's. The kit came with the upper bolts and clips, but they did not come with anything for the bottom. I bought this off at Amazon, I believe, so if you buy one, be ready to get some extra hardware that it doesn't come with. Here it's kind of hard to see, but I'm installing the bottom bolts. Then just 3 quick screws in the top and the grille's all set. And here's a look at the final product. Came out great. It's going to be awesome once I get the hood back on. If they like what they see, Lily, what should they do?
Like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.